Hello, my family, how are you? Today I am going to tell you about the meaning of artificial intelligence, how artificial intelligence created, how artificial intelligence works, and also the meaning of human brain and how it work. What is relationship between artificial intelligence and human brain? Finally, by what cause artificial intelligence affect human brain as well as human beings. So, I request you to stay with me until the end. I am Gize Lekulu with the preparation.
Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and language understanding. AI technologies aim to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and language translation. AI can be categorized into different types, including machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. AI has a wide range of applications across various industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment. AI is created through a combination of algorithms, data, and computing power. Here are some key steps involved in creating AI. 1. Data collection. AI systems require large amounts of data to learn and improve their performance. This data can be structured or unstructured and may come from various sources such as sensors, databases, images, text, and more. 2. Data preprocessing. Before feeding the data into AI algorithms, it needs to be cleaned, organized, and prepared. This process involves removing noise, handling missing values, and transforming the data into a format suitable for analysis. 3. Algorithm selection. Different AI algorithms are used for various tasks such as classification, regression, clustering, and reinforcement learning. The choice of algorithm depends on the specific problem to be solved and the type of data available. 4. Training the model. In the training phase, the AI model learns patterns and relationships within the data. This involves feeding the algorithm with labeled data supervised learning or letting it discover patterns on its own unsupervised learning. 5. Evaluation and tuning. After training the model, it needs to be evaluated to assess its performance. Metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score are used to measure how well the model performs. If necessary, the model is fine-tuned by adjusting parameters and hyperparameters. 6. Deployment. Once the AI model has been trained and tested, it can be deployed in real-world applications. This involves integrating the model into existing systems or developing new applications that leverage AI capabilities. 7. Monitoring and maintenance. AI models need to be monitored regularly to ensure they continue to perform accurately over time. Maintenance may involve updating the model with new data, retraining it periodically, or making adjustments based on feedback from users. Overall, creating AI involves a combination of data processing, algorithm selection, training, evaluation, deployment, and ongoing maintenance to develop intelligent systems that can perform specific tasks autonomously.
The human brain is a complex organ that serves as the command center of the central nervous system in humans. It is responsible for processing information received from the senses, controlling movement, regulating bodily functions, and enabling higher cognitive functions such as thinking, memory, emotions, and decision-making. The human brain is made up of billions of neurons, nerve cells that communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals. These neurons form intricate networks that allow the brain to process and store information, learn from experiences, and adapt to new situations. The brain is divided into different regions, each with specific functions. For example, the cerebral cortex is responsible for higher cognitive functions such as reasoning, language, and problem solving, while the cerebellum controls coordination and balance. The brainstem regulates basic functions like breathing and heart rate. The human brain is incredibly complex and still not fully understood by scientists. Research in neuroscience continues to uncover new insights into how the brain works and how it influences human behavior and consciousness. How artificial intelligence work. Artificial intelligence works by using algorithms and machine learning techniques to process data, make decisions, and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Here is an overview of how it works. 1. Data collection. AI systems rely on vast amounts of data to learn and make decisions. Data can be collected from various sources such as sensors, databases, the internet, and other sources. 2. Data pre-processing. Before the data can be used by AI algorithms, it needs to be pre-processed to clean, transform, and organize it in a suitable format for analysis. 3. Machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on training algorithms to learn from data and make predictions or decisions. There are different types of machine learning techniques, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. 4. Training. During the training phase, AI models are fed with labeled data to learn patterns and relationships within the data. The model adjusts its parameters through iterative optimization to minimize errors and improve accuracy. 5. Inference. Once trained, the AI model can make predictions or decisions based on new unseen data. This process is known as inference and allows AI systems to perform tasks autonomously. 6. Feedback loop. AI systems can learn from feedback provided by users or through reinforcement learning techniques. By incorporating feedback into the training process, AI models can continuously improve their performance. 7. Application areas. AI is applied in various fields such as natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, healthcare, finance, and more. AI technologies like neural networks, deep learning, and reinforcement learning are driving innovation in these areas. Overall, AI works by leveraging data, algorithms, and computational power to mimic human intelligence and perform tasks that were once thought to be exclusive to humans. Ongoing research and advancements in AI continue to expand the capabilities of artificial intelligence in various domains.
How human brain works. The human brain is a complex organ that serves as the command center of the central nervous system. It controls our thoughts, emotions, behaviors, and bodily functions. Here is an overview of how the human brain works. 1. Neurons. The basic building blocks of the brain are neurons, specialized cells that transmit information through electrical and chemical signals. The brain contains billions of neurons that form intricate networks and pathways. 2. Synapses. Neurons communicate with each other through junctions called synapses. When a neuron fires an electrical signal, it releases neurotransmitters that travel across the synapse to stimulate or inhibit the activity of neighboring neurons. 3. Brain regions. The brain is divided into different regions, each responsible for specific functions. For example, the frontal lobe is involved in decision-making and problem-solving. The occipital lobe processes visual information, and the hippocampus is crucial for memory formation. 4. Communication. Information processing in the brain involves complex interactions between different regions. Signals travel along neural pathways, forming circuits that coordinate various functions such as sensory perception, motor control, language processing, and emotional regulation. 5. Plasticity. The brain exhibits neuroplasticity, the ability to reorganize and adapt in response to experiences, learning, and environmental changes. This plasticity allows the brain to form new connections, strengthen existing ones, and recover from injuries or trauma. 6. Memory. The brain stores information in different forms of memory, including short-term memory for temporary storage of information and long-term memory for retaining knowledge and experiences over time. Memory formation involves complex processes of encoding, consolidation, and retrieval. 7. Emotions. The brain plays a central role in regulating emotions through structures like the amygdala and prefrontal cortex. Emotional responses are influenced by neurotransmitters, hormones, and neural circuits that modulate mood, stress, fear, and pleasure. 8. Consciousness. The nature of consciousness and self-awareness is a complex topic that continues to be studied by neuroscientists and philosophers. Consciousness involves awareness of oneself and the external world, subjective experiences, and higher cognitive functions such as introspection and self-reflection.
What is real relationship between artificial intelligence and human brain? The relationship between artificial intelligence AI and the human brain is a fascinating and complex topic that has implications for technology, neuroscience, psychology, and philosophy. Here are some key aspects of this relationship. 1. Inspiration. Our research often draws inspiration from the structure and functions of the human brain. Neural networks, a type of eye model, are inspired by the interconnected neurons in the brain and aim to mimic the brain's ability to learn from data and make predictions. 2. Cognitive abilities. AI systems can perform tasks that were traditionally thought to require human intelligence, such as pattern recognition, language processing, decision-making, and problem-solving. These capabilities raise questions about the similarities and differences between artificial and human intelligence. 3. Brain-computer interfaces. Advances in neurotechnology have led to the development of brain-computer interfaces (BCIs) that enable direct communication between the brain and external devices. BCIs can be used for medical purposes, such as assisting individuals with disabilities, and for enhancing human-computer interaction. 4. Ethical considerations. The development of AI raises ethical concerns related to privacy, bias, autonomy, and accountability. Understanding how AI systems interact with human brains and influence behavior is crucial for addressing these ethical challenges. 5. Cognitive enhancement. Some researchers explore the potential of AI to enhance cognitive abilities and memory in humans. Brain-computer interfaces and neurofeedback techniques could be used to improve learning, attention, and mental health outcomes. 5. Cognitive enhancement. Some researchers explore the potential of AI to enhance cognitive abilities and memory in humans. Brain-computer interfaces and neurofeedback techniques could be used to improve learning, attention, and mental health outcomes. 6. Consciousness and creativity. The nature of consciousness, creativity, and subjective experience in AI systems is a topic of debate. While I can produce art, music, and literature, questions remain about whether machines can truly exhibit consciousness or creativity comparable to human beings. 7. Collaboration. Collaborations between AI researchers, neuroscientists, psychologists, and ethicists can lead to interdisciplinary insights into the relationship between artificial and human intelligence. Understanding how AI systems interact with human brains can inform the design of more effective technologies and ethical guidelines. In summary, the relationship between artificial intelligence and the human brain is multifaceted, encompassing scientific, technological, ethical, and philosophical dimensions. Studying this relationship can deepen our understanding of intelligence, consciousness, and human-computer interactions in an increasingly digital world. What is advantage or benefit of artificial intelligence for human being? There are numerous advantages and benefits of AI for human beings, including 1. Automation. I can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. 2. Efficiency. I can process and analyze large amounts of data quickly and accurately, leading to faster decision-making and improved productivity. 3. Personalization. I can be used to create personalized experiences for users, such as personalized recommendations on streaming services or personalized marketing campaigns. 4. Improved healthcare. I can be used to analyze medical images, predict patient outcomes, and assist in diagnosis and treatment planning. 5. Enhanced safety. I can be used to monitor and analyze data from various sources to detect potential risks and prevent accidents in various industries. 6. Cost savings. I can help reduce costs by automating processes, optimizing resource allocation, and improving operational efficiency. 7. Innovation. I can help drive innovation by enabling the development of new products and services that were previously not possible. Overall, AI has the potential to improve the quality of life for humans by enhancing productivity, efficiency, and innovation across various industries.
What is disadvantage of AI for human being? While AI offers numerous benefits, There are also some potential disadvantages and challenges associated with its use for human beings, including 1. Job displacement. One of the biggest concerns surrounding AI is the potential for automation to replace human workers in various industries, leading to job loss and economic disruption.
2. Bias and discrimination. AI systems can inherit biases from their training data, leading to discriminatory outcomes in areas such as hiring, lending, and criminal justice. 3. Privacy concerns. AI systems often require access to large amounts of personal data, raising concerns about privacy and data security. 4. Lack of transparency. Some AI algorithms are complex and difficult to interpret, making it challenging to understand how they arrive at their decisions. 5. Dependence on technology. Over-reliance on AI systems can lead to a loss of critical thinking skills and human judgment. 6. Ethical dilemmas. AI raises ethical questions about issues such as accountability, responsibility, and the potential misuse of technology. 7. Potential for misuse. AI can be used for malicious purposes, such as spreading misinformation, conducting cyber attacks, or developing autonomous weapons. Overall, it is essential to address these challenges and develop appropriate regulations and safeguards to ensure that our technologies are used responsibly and ethically for the benefit of society.
Dear family, I hope you liked today's lesson. If you liked the lesson, please support me by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to the video.